Okay, now in this video we're going to be placing the windows. So we're going to be placing three types of windows. The smallest window that we're going to place is going to be of the 910. So we're going to go to the architectural tab, and here you can see the window. The shortcut for it is WN. Just select it, and from the properties window we're going to select the 910 by 910. This is the most smallest window there is, and then we're going to place the window in certain locations. So if you zoom right over here, you can see that the window panel is when it is placed like this, and if you place it like that, the window panel is going to be towards you, and then this is actually the opposite. This is not the correct orientation, so this is going to be the correct orientation. So we're going to place the window like that in there, and then we're going to place another similar kind of window right over there, and we're going to place a similar kind of window right over here. Okay, two small windows are placed over there. Now we're going to go for the second category of window, that is going to be the 1360. So there goes the 1360 type window, and we're going to place it in a few more locations. Let's say that we're going to place it in this particular location. One will be on here, another one will be just right beside it, right over there. Two of the windows have now been placed there, and the same windows are also going to be placed right over there. One window, another window will be on that location. Similarly for this room, one window there, another window there. So this doesn't have to be perfect. The dimensions and the location of the windows doesn't have to be perfect, because the purpose of building this model is for you to learn the basics of Revit enough to work on a house plan. Okay, so we're going to select another window that is going to be the biggest window yet. That is going to be the 1810 by the 910. So that is the largest window by far that we're using. So we're going to place one of those windows right over here and another window right over there. Okay, so these are all the windows that we wanted to place in our model. Now if you go to the 3D view, you can see the model is now having doors and windows as well. Okay, so we have the walls, we have the doors, we have the windows, and then we have the bottom slab as well. Okay, so there are three windows there, windows and windows. Okay, all right. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.